So we are going to unbox the Massdi SCN 1772 1:64 scale 8-axle semi-load trailer, and as you can see, it's a general version which can go into any model that they bring out. And on this side you can see the kind of a blueprint. It shows 8 axles over there, and there is a ramp that you can open up. And on this side you have the fifth wheel, and over here we have the spare wheels that goes onto the bed. And there is some warning kind of thing written over here, and this is the opening. Now this side they have a general, and again on this side they have written Massdi brand. So we'll just open this, and as you open you can see that there is something written over here to say what are the additional fittings it comes with. One is that extra crane kind of a stuff which you can use for loading or unloading the spare wheel. Then the 2 spare wheels for the semi-low bed itself, and another spare wheel for the truck. Then the stoppers for the vehicle, whichever vehicle that you load onto this, so that it should move forward or backward. And you have the extension side panel, so that if you are taking any wider vehicles on this, they can rest their tire over here. So now we will take the trailer out. On top we have one layer of sponge. After that, this small cover which contains all the additional accessories that you are supposed to fit onto the bed, and one more piece of sponge before you take on the trailer. So this is the trailer. Now let's take a closer look at the trailer itself. It's a single metal piece, casted one, and they have also done powder coating on top of that. And over here, if you start from the front, you can see the storage box where they will keep the ratchet straps, and you can also see these points where we can attach the additional accessories they have provided, like the spare wheels and bed extender to the side. And these are the points where we attach the chokes for the vehicles to not to move to the front. And this is the detailed ramp for loading the vehicle. And over here you can see there is a very neat design detail. That's a hydraulic strut, and there are also you can find these markers and warning things, etc. At the bottom you can see actually this tail light design. That's actually painted tail light, and some additional detailings over here, and there is a plastic bumper. And this ramp over here is completely made out of plastic. You can open it up like this, and it neatly closes also. So now if you look from the side, you can actually see this very well detailed 8 axles. Each of these wheels have really good detailing. So I will just focus on to that portion now. So you can see the wheels, and the wheels are also having rubber compound around it, and they are in pair like an actual trailer. And the bottom you can see very good detailing. Over here you can see the steering mechanism for these 8 axles. In real life, this kind of semi-low bed trailers will have all the axles steerable, and you can also see some reservoir tanks for all of their actuation. And this is the landing gear for the trailer, which is not movable here. And also you can find some warning red and white markers here in the front. And at the bottom of the front portion you can find the 5th wheel attachment point, some more detailings for the structural strength. And as you come over here, you can find these detailings along with the suspension and air suspension balloons actually. But none of these parts are movable, they are all like rigid plastic one. So this plastic piece along with the axles are attached with 3 screws to the cast metal piece, which is the bed. And now if we look at the additional components that comes to this trailer, these are those parts. So we get 2 spare wheels for the trailer itself. One goes here and another one goes here. And we get 1 spare wheel for the truck which is going to pull it. That one goes here. And we get 1 small crane to load or unload stuff from this bed area. That one goes here. And we get these 2 wheel chocks, so whenever you are loading a vehicle to the back of this trailer, you can actually ensure that that will not come and hit the front portion of this trailer. And now these two things are actually the extenders. I really don't like the color in which they have come. They could also have been in a black color. So they goes onto the side of the trailer, so you can see these points where you can actually attach them. So you have to take it to this extent from the back and push it inside to all those holes together, and it is a bit difficult to attach. Since I did it multiple times, I am doing it easy. And on the other side also you have to repeat the same. So this attachment could have been made easier by some other means. After all, it looks really good. It is giving us the real sense of a actual 8-axle semi-load trailer. Now what if we put it onto the truck? That's much more cleaner now, so you can see that, wow, looks it's a real truck now. But in this case I have actually observed some problems which I will show you from a lower angle. So I think now you can see that actually whenever I put this semi-load trailer onto the truck gets lifted due to the weight of this and due to the misalignment of the fifth axle or the fifth wheel attachment pin. Actually, whenever the truck is not attached onto that doesn't actually go into that properly. And whenever I try to attach, it doesn't go in properly. So if you look at this, you can see it doesn't even match in the height. So I don't know whether it is a problem from Massdi, and the place from which I bought this, they told me, sir, that is a problem with the brand, but I don't think it's a problem with Massdi, because I have seen many other videos of other trucks from Massdi and none of them have this issue. So I believe it was a mishandling from the place which I bought this, but anyway, I will do something to correct this. So after all, I would say it's a really good trailer, very well detailing. Altogether it looks amazing, and I will also just keep one or two cars on top of this to give you a better idea. So now let us load two vehicles on top of this. One, let it be a police car. So it's a Audi R6 Avant police car, and we are going to load a tractor. It's a dashboard tractor. I don't know how to actually pronounce it. Dashboard. If someone can correct me, please correct me. So this is how it looks, but there is no way to actually hold them in place. And anyway, I would say that it's a really well detailed 8-axle semi-load trailer, and when it gets paired with the truck, it looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.